Welcome to the next part of designing my kids' bedroom, and it's the most exciting part because it's the feature wall. For the last 20 years my mum has been my wallpaperer, but it was time to put my big girl pants on and learn how to do this myself. This wall mural is completely bespoke, so you send off your measurements and they send it back to you piece by piece. Each drop is labelled, so instead of coming in a roll it comes separately. I also went for the self-adhesive version, but there are other alternatives too. Sometimes I got my little boy in to help me hold the paper just so I could match up the clouds, but for my first time this really wasn't that hard and I was actually quite proud of myself. I learned that doing little sections at a time was better than doing big sections, and I could easily iron out the bubbles with the little tool that is sent with the wallpaper. My walls are awful, so I do also have a liner paper under here as well. I didn't actually realise how wonky my walls were until I had to cut around the socket. So here is my wonky socket. I was a bit concerned that the liner paper underneath might cause a problem because it does say in instructions not to have any paper underneath, but unfortunately in my house the wall, especially this wall, it's so bumpy that I really did need the liner paper underneath. Luckily the paper is so strong that it really stuck to this wall really well, and by the time I got to the end I was super proud of myself. I cut off the edges and I left all of this until the end. I just thought it would be easier to do that, and I'm really proud of the finished results. Let me know what you think.